Are Dams the Temple of Modern India by Arundhati Roy. In the 50 years since independence, after Nehru's famous dams are the temples of modern India speech, one he grew to regret in his own lifetime. His foot soldiers threw themselves into the business of building dams with unnatural fervor. Dam building grew to be equated with nation building. Their enthusiasm alone should have been reason enough to make one suspicious. Not only did they build new dams and new irrigation systems, they took control of small traditional systems that village communities had managed for thousands of years and allowed them to atrophy. To compensate the loss, the government built more and more dams, big ones, little ones, tall ones, short ones. The result of its exertions is that India now boasts of being the world's third largest dam builder. According to the Central Water Commission, we have 3,600 dams that qualify as big dams, 3,300 of them built after independence. Some 1,000 more are under construction, yet one-fifth of our population, 200 million people, does not have safe drinking water. And two-thirds, 600 million, lack basic sanitation. Big dams started well but have ended badly. There was a time when everybody loved them. Everybody had them, the communists, capitalists, Christians, Muslims, Hindus, and Buddhists. There was a time when big dams moved men to poetry, not any longer. All over the world, there is a movement growing against big dams. In the first world, they are being decommissioned, blown up. The fact that they do more harm than good is no longer just conjecture. Big dams are obsolete, they are uncool, they are undemocratic. They are a government's way of accumulating authority, deciding who will get how much water and who will grow what where. They are a brazen means of taking water, land, and irrigation away from the poor and gifting it to the rich. Their reservoirs displace huge populations of people, leaving them homeless and destitute. Ecologically, they are in the doghouse. They lay the earth to waste. They cause floods, waterlogging, salinity. They spread disease. There is mounting evidence that links big dams to earthquakes. Big dams haven't really lived up to their role as the monuments of modern civilization, emblems of man's ascendancy over nature. Monuments are supposed to be timeless, but dams have an all too finite lifetime. They last only as long as it takes nature to fill them with silt. It is common knowledge now that big dams do the opposite of what their publicity people say they do. The local pain for national gain myth has been blown wide open. For all these reasons, the dam building industry in the first world is in trouble and out of work. So it is exported to the third world in the name of development aid, along with their other waste like old weapons, superannuated aircraft carriers, and banned pesticides. Thank you.